Hi. People are so much worry in this world. Everybody run for something, but they don't know what they run for. You see, I met people that are very rich. They come to Bali. And he told me he got everything in this world. He got a good family, lots of money, that anything that has price, he can buy. But he said to me, I got a big hole in my heart. I feel empty inside. I'm not happy. Wow. That reminds me, like, long time ago when I was 13, I was very young. I was looking for answer. Is there anybody happy in this world? Because at that time, I feel very pain when I see those old people dying on the bed and they are not happy. And I know exactly they are not happy. So I was questioning the old people. Are you happy in your life? Said, no, I'm just waiting for my time to die. It's keep me worried so much, you know. But when I was like 18, 19, somebody told me, yes, I'm very happy. So that guy, I call it instructor or Acharya, and his name was Dadarupa Titananda. He told me that I'm very happy in my life and I can teach you so. I was so much interested, so we were end up like 2 hours meditation. I got painful in my head. I got so much pain in my head, I was asking him, what happened? I got pain so much in my head. You said, what you told me to practice, it'll make me happy, but you got pain so much in my head. Well, he said, your gland is not yet ready to receive those power that you gain from your meditation. So he told me to do some asanas regularly, then now I feel good. So what I want to explain here is, what is that people want in this life? It's nothing but happiness. But what can make you happy? Woman? No. After some time you will forget them. You cannot feel the pleasure, the happiness with your anything that attach with your body and mind, because this body and mind, it will decay after some time. Let's say 70 or 80 years old. See, you can't eat any good sirloin steak. No way. Your stomach will kaput, not good. You can't drink any alcohol in that age. Everything will goes down one day. So what will make you happy? Well, what I've been learning is that what is the specialty being human? You see, being human is a very special thing. What makes us a very special from animal is that we can realize, we can understand that we are not human. Haha, that's funny, no? So what we are, if we are not human in this human form, actually human being called human being, we got 3 parts. The first part is physical body, that you eat, you maintain your body by eating, sleeping, and do many things to keep it alive, you know. But you also have mind that you can't see, but it doesn't mean you're mindless. We got mind, we study very hard every day, and we're thinking a good thing in our mind, so our mind grow very positive and strong like now. But yet, there is something else that greater than your mind that you can't see it, that we call spirit. That spirit body is not yet developed. That's why we are not perfect human being. If you develop the 3 parts of your body, your physical, mental, and a spirit, you are perfect human being. Because at the end, only the feeling that you are close to your spirit, that you are close to your happiness, it's matter. Everything else that you have in this world will remain here. Nothing to go with you. So my advice is, try to do more and more practice for your spirit. Try to understand that you are more a spiritual being living on this human body. So how we do that? The brain need food. We can't give like sirloin steaks or anything. We give knowledge, a good knowledge to the brain. But your spirit, it's much subtle than your brain. So what is the food of your brains? The food of your spirit is your attention. As long as your mind thinks outside, not inside, your brain, you are thinking, you are connected to your physical body and mental body. But if you close your eyes, your physical, sensory and motoric organ, and go deeper to yourself, you are the spiritual being. You try to focus more and more, give attention on that. But how? Meditation, yes, right. Meditation is one of the tools for you to practice to get closer to your spirit. But meditation without feeling of love toward yourself, it's wasting time. So what should we do to increase our feeling of love toward our spirit? The good news, yes, there is a tool. There is a way to do that. That we call Kirtan. The Kirtan was found by the founder of Ananda Marga. It's called Sri Sri Ananda Murti. You can search on our website, anandamarga.org. So the Kirtan is one a very effective and powerful way to increase the love toward your spirit. You will have so much love within you. You will full to overflowing to this feeling of love. So that if you got that feeling, meditation will not be very hard way. It will be very easy to do it, because like a magnet, we are attracted with all the iron thing. But if the iron is full of dirt, you can't get attracted. So the Kirtan, the singing of this word, is called, are you ready for this? This is a very powerful mantra. You will hear this now, and this is the best moment of your life. But you should practice this every day. You don't have to spend 24 hours doing so, but if you could, why not? This is the most important thing in your life. But yes, we have so many duties. We have kids, we have family, we have this and that. Yes, you have to spend at least 20 minutes or 15 minutes. You got 24 hours for your physical body and your mind. But yet, for your real self, come on, 20 minutes, I think it's worth it. Okay, let's start with 20 minutes every day to sing this Baba Nam Kevalam. And you can start doing meditation as long as you like. Maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes every day is good to start. Then you can increase it. The more you're feeling you got, let's say, oh, let's do meditation now with that feeling of love you got. Just don't limit yourself, as long as you feel good, do it. And the time will be there. The more you got love within you, the longer you will do it. So, are you ready? Repeat after me. The word is very simple. Baba Nam Kevalam. I repeat again. Baba Nam Kevalam. You see, Baba Nam Kevalam. You can repeat this word all the time in your mind with the ideation. The ideation is love is all there is. Love is all there is. When you do this, when you sing this loudly, after 5, 10, 15 minutes, then you close your eyes. You close your eyes and start to feel. Start to feel with continuously doing the Baba Nam Kevalam. Just repeat the word Baba Nam Kevalam in your head all the time with the feeling. Try to merge yourself with that spirit. Try to feel the union with yourself. Try to feel the happiness within you. Feel the joy that flows. The more you repeat, the more the joy that you feel. Try to listen nothing else but the sound of Baba Nam Kevalam in your mind. Baba Nam Kevalam. This you can do before sleeping, or after wake up in the morning, or as much as you have time for it, it's worth it, because that is what you come to this earth for. Just think what I said deeply again. What is the purpose that you come to this earth? What will make you happy? I think that's a better one. What will make you happy in this earth? Think very, very deeply. Do you think if you are a man, do you think a beautiful girl will satisfy you? Yes, of course, for a few years, maybe a few months. But after that time, everything is changing. It's getting old, for sure. After 99 years old, she will die. She will leave you. There is nothing you can do about it. So what will make you happy? Nothing else but the feeling that you are so close to yourself, to your spirit. That is, you have to, let's say, what do you call it? To make insurance. This is insurance for yourself. People pay so much money for this insurance, for the health insurance, education insurance. But do you put any attention? Do you put any special thing for yourself, for your spirit? We have to do some insurance as well for your spirit. The insurance for your spirit is giving time every day for yourself. That is meditation. Meditation. Babanam Kewalam. It's not very hard thing to do. Just sit, close your eyes, few minutes. Babanam Kewalam. Babanam Kewalam. Try to be conscious all the time that everything around you is love. You is love. Everything is manifest around you is love. It's happiness. Happiness is all around you. I think that's good for today. I'll see you again for my next video. Namaskar.
Yeah.